Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this session on project management. Today, we will dive into two fundamental concepts that are crucial for any project manager. Understanding the different ways to classify project and navigating the structure process of the project life cycle. By the end of this video, you will have a clear framework for assessing projects and ensuring their success. So, as we learned in previous videos, projects are temporary endeavors with a definite start and end date, defined to create a unique output. They are not business as usual. The key to successful project management lies in recognizing that not all projects are created equal. They can differ significantly in scope, complexity, and the methods required to manage them. By understanding these variations, we can better plan and execute our work. The first way we can classify projects is by their complexity. On one end, we have simple projects. These are straightforward, with a clear scope and limited number of stakeholders. For example, planning a small team building event is a simple project. In the middle, we have complex project. These involve numerous moving parts, dependencies, and stakeholders, and they are carry a higher level of risk. A good example is developing a new software application with various teams working on different components. Finally, we have mega projects. These are on an entirely different scale. Massive undertakings like building the Three Gorges Dam in China or the new Panama Canal. These projects are characterized by multi-billion dollar budgets and have a significant impact on society. Another crucial classification is the project management approach. The traditional or waterfall approach follows in line sequential process where each phase must be completed before the next one begins. This work where the projects where requirements are fixed and well understood from the start. In contrast, the agile approach is iterative and highly flexible. It's designed for environments where requirements are uncertain and changes are frequent, such as in software development. Finally, the hybrid approach combines the two, allowing teams to use a waterfall structure for certain phases while using agile methods for others, a balance of predictability and flexibility. Financial decision making also provides a valuable classification. Independent projects are those where the decision are accepted or rejected. One project does not impact the decision for another. For example, a company can choose to fund a marketing campaign and a new internal tool development without one affecting the other. Mutually exclusive projects, on the other hand, are alternatives. You can only choose one. A common example is company that has the budget to build one new factory but must choose between two different locations. Lastly, a project is contingent. If its execution depends on the completion or success of another, for instance, the project to launch a new product is contingent upon the successful completion of the product development project. It's important to understand how key factors fluctuate. Cost and staffing levels are low during the initiation and planning phases, peak significantly during execution when the bulk of the work is being done, and then decrease again during closing. Conversely, the influence of stakeholders and the level of risk and uncertainty are at their highest at the start of the project. As the project becomes more defined and progress through its phases, the uncertainty and the stakeholders' ability to influence final outcome decrease. This is common point of confusion. The project life cycle and the product life cycle are not the same thing. The project life cycle is a temporary sequence of phases to create a product or service, whereas the product life cycle represents the entire lifespan of that product itself from its introduction to its eventually decline, whereas the product life cycle represents the entire lifespan of that product itself from its introduction to its eventually decline in the market. A single product can go through multiple projects during its lifetime. For the example, a new product might require one project to develop it, another to launch it, and the third to update it with new features. The product life cycle is one time process, while the product life cycle can be long term ongoing journey. Alright everyone, that's all for this video. If you enjoy this, please give it like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content. I release new videos every week. Thanks for watching.